In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the PayPal Express checkout issue on Shopify. If you've been facing troubles with this feature not working, don't worry, we've got a straightforward solution for you, and it only takes about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get your setup working smoothly again. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Shopify account. This is your home base for everything we'll be doing today. Make sure you enter your correct login credentials, and once you're in, head over to the settings section. You'll find the settings option usually toward the bottom of the page on the left hand side. Clicking this will open a menu with various options related to your store's configuration. Next, click on the payment section within your settings. This is the hub for all things related to how your store manages transactions. In this area, you'll be able to see all the payment providers you've set up, including PayPal. Pay close attention here because we need to confirm that PayPal is properly configured and enabled. This means checking that everything is set up as expected, without any alerts or warnings indicating potential issues. While in the payment section, ensure that your PayPal account is in good standing. This means it's free from any restrictions or errors that might hinder its performance. Any issues with your PayPal account, such as limitations or unresolved disputes, can often be the cause of checkout failures, so it's crucial to resolve these. After verifying that your account is in good standing, it's time to double check that the correct PayPal API credentials have been entered in your Shopify settings. Misconfigured or incorrect credentials can lead to failures in the checkout process, so it's always a good idea to verify this step. Double check the information, and if in doubt, re-enter the credentials carefully. If, despite all these checks, the problem persists, it might be an issue specifically related to your PayPal account rather than with Shopify. In this scenario, contacting PayPal support for further investigation is the best course of action. They can help troubleshoot any account-specific issues that may not be immediately apparent from your Shopify settings. With these steps completed, you should be well on your way to resolving any issues with PayPal Express checkout not working on Shopify. Remember, the solution is often just a matter of rechecking and ensuring everything is set up correctly. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this guide has helped resolve your PayPal issues. If it did, feel free to leave a comment below letting us know. Have a great day and see you in our next video.